In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send document for signing in DocuSign. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prepare a document, add your signers, place the right fields, and send it off with confidence. First, log into your DocuSign account. On your dashboard, click Start, then choose Send an envelope. An envelope is simply DocuSign's container for one or more documents and the people who will sign them. It keeps everything organized and tracked from start to finish. Next, upload your document. You can add files from your computer or pull them in from cloud storage like Google Drive or Dropbox. If you already use a standard form, you can also use a template to save time and ensure consistency. Now add your recipients. Enter each signer's name and email address, then choose what they need to do. You might set someone to needs to sign, designate someone to receives a copy for visibility, or use in-person signer if you'll be guiding them on your device. This is a good moment to double-check spelling and order, especially if there's a specific sequence to the signing process. Customize the email subject and message so recipients know what the document is and why they're receiving it. A clear note reduces confusion and helps your signer complete the document faster. With recipients in place, you'll land on the tagging screen. From the left-hand palette, drag and drop fields like signature, initials, and date signed onto the document. Assign each field to the correct recipient so the right person fills the right spot. Take a moment to align fields neatly and preview the pages. Clean placement leads to fewer questions and quicker completion. When everything looks good, click Send. DocuSign will deliver the envelope to your recipients and they'll get a secure link to sign. You can track progress in real time from your account, seeing who has viewed, signed, or still needs attention. Documents are protected with encryption and meet industry security standards, so your files stay secure throughout the process. If you prefer working on the go, you can send and sign from your phone or tablet. I've placed a link to the DocuSign website and the official mobile app downloads right at the top of the description, so you can get started quickly. For pricing, plans typically start around $12 per month, with options for higher volume and free trials available if you want to test it out. That's the full workflow. Log in, upload, add recipients, personalize the email, place your fields, and send. Thanks for watching.